What's up guys, Retson here. So today the plan is to remove my front fenders and chop up a spare headlight bar to lower the headlights. So we'll see what happens. What we're doing right now is getting ready to remove the fenders. So first what I'm doing is going ahead and loosening up the headlights and going to remove them from the headlight bar. I'm going to pop this bad boy off and but the horn's shitty anyways, so go ahead and really
gunshot.
So, horn is detached. Oh, that's a 19 as well. Grab me that tool real quick. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right?
I mean, it's whatever you want.
Dude, well, I want this kind of just burned to the ground.
Oh, okay.
So this car's technically street legal.
Yeah?
Yeah. Got 80 years of dirt on these damn things. Oh my god. Ooh. Ow. So what I'm trying to do is get this one loose, so we can pull this one up and put leverage on the other side. Get it out. This sucks, dude. It's enjoyable, but it sucks. Ta-da! Woo! Super cool. Horn's off. Good, I don't like it anyways.
Think it's gonna work? You gonna be able to fit that in there?
I think it was tightening it. Oh. Okay. Guys, this is definitely not how you work on a car.
God damn, it's cold! Oh, fucking focus.
Oh my!
Oh my god! This is how you hurt yourself, folks.
Yup! Yeah, this is how you do a hernia. This is how you bust your gut, bro. Let's get it! Taking a front and a bar.
I work on imports. Retson works on everything but mainly old stuff. And he likes to help friends with anything. Because he's a good guy. Hit him up in the DMs if you want to be respected and cared for.
What?
Oh my god.
What?
Everything is just covered.
Yeah.
It's fucking wild.
This engine's never been cracked open before. So, day one is defeat. This is just a small little update.